In this video, I'm going to show you how I use Chatgpt to design a morning routine that actually works for a busy life, along with emergency backup plans and a long-term habit-building schedule. Let's dive in. First, I navigate to Chatgpt in my web browser. To keep things efficient, I've already prepared my prompts in a separate document so I can just copy and paste. I start by grabbing a detailed prompt that explains my current daily reality, being a busy parent who wants to move away from just surviving the morning and toward being more intentional. I paste this into the chat to get some initial coaching. As I scroll through the response, I'm looking for practical advice that acknowledges the chaos of a household while helping me stay grounded and calm. Next, I want to take those ideas and organize them into a clear, actionable schedule. I head back to my document and copy a second prompt asking for a realistic timetable between 5:30 and 7:30 a.m. I make sure to include the detail that I am definitely not a morning person and tend to move a bit slower before 6 a.m. I paste that into the message box and hit enter. The AI generates a clean table that breaks my morning into manageable blocks, covering everything from quiet time to breakfast prep and getting the kids out the door. Since my time is often limited, I want a micro routine I can use even on my busiest days. I copy a prompt asking for a tiny, 5-minute ritual I can do right at the kitchen table with my first cup of coffee. I paste this in to see what it suggests, and it gives me a simple coffee reset. It's perfect because it focuses on basic breathing and setting one clear intention for the day without requiring any extra equipment or apps. Of course, we all know that mornings don't always go according to plan. To prepare for those days when the alarm doesn't go off or things just run late, I copy another prompt to create a 45-minute emergency routine. I paste it in and receive a streamlined, high-speed plan that cuts out every non-essential task to get the family ready and out the door without the usual panic. I scroll down to check the one rule for these high-stress mornings, which helps me stay focused on what truly matters. To prevent that morning chaos from happening in the first place, I decided to get some help with my evening preparation. I copy a prompt for a night before checklist and paste it into the chat. It generates a quick 20-minute reset for the kitchen, lunchboxes, and school gear, which is designed to remove as many decisions as possible from my morning brain. Finally, I want to make sure these changes actually stick long-term. I copy one last prompt for a 30-day habit-building plan that introduces these new routines gradually rather than all at once. I paste it into the chat and review the 4-week breakdown. It's a great roadmap that focuses on adding just one small habit at a time, ensuring that I build real momentum and achieve long-term success. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.